Welcome to Excel AI Analytics, a math series of 100 video parts on Excel Analytics using the latest features of AI in Excel to develop financial models. The Jurassic maturity particles for AI tech fans. Whether you are a complete beginner or expert user of Excel application, you will love to click on the button with purpose to know more about Excel Analytics with AI. This video is for you. Enjoy watching.
Hello friends, welcome to Basics of Excel AI Analytics. Today we are moving beyond simple estimation to explore a formula designed for real-world complexity, XNPV. In a classroom, money moves in perfect annual cycles. In reality, business is messy. Payments arrive on irregular dates whenever a contract is signed or an invoice is settled. XNPV allows us to calculate the value of cash flows that are non-periodic. By assigning a specific date to every dollar in and every dollar out, Excel uses its internal clock to discount that money with surgical accuracy. This ensures we aren't just guessing, we are measuring. When you see results like $369.98, you are looking at the most accurate version of project's value. It tells you exactly what those irregular future payments are worth in today's market, down to the very day. For the modern data analyst, precision is the foundation of trust. XNPV is one of it. Using XNPV ensures your models reflect the messy reality of business dates, providing a robust ROI analysis every time. Join us in the next video where we explore similar financial functions of Excel. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.